Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the kitchen to whip up a delightful dish of chicken shredded with cilantro and peanuts. No time to waste, let's start cooking. First thing first, let's prep our ingredients. Slice the scallions into segments and ginger into slices. Get a pot of water boiling and toss in the scallion segments, ginger slices, and a splash of cooking wine and the chicken breast. Once the water bubbles again, lower the heat, pop on the lid, and let it gently simmer for a cozy 30 minutes. While that's going, let's dice up the shallot. Set it aside. And don't forget the cilantro, chop it up and keep it handy. Once the chicken is ready, scoop it out and cool it down in some cold water. Then get your hands in there and tear that chicken into charming shreds. Heat up a bit of cooking oil in a pan and give your chopped shallots a sizzle until they perfume the air. Time for flavor. Add a dash of soy sauce and a swirl of oyster sauce and give it a good mix. Pour this lovely sauce over the shredded chicken and toss in the chopped cilantro and those delightful peanuts. Mix it all together like a pro. And voila, you've got a plateful of chicken shredded with cilantro and peanuts ready to enjoy. Give this recipe a go and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for joining me, and I'll catch you in the next one.